So this year we are celebrating 140 years in September. So we have been, the tramway, 29th September this year will be our 140th anniversary. So some of our trams, what we do, especially double deckers and that, are 90 odd years old, and they're still going strong. Right, I joined Tramtown about 4 years ago. I came on a tour when we opened doing tours, and then I saw an advertisement a few weeks later looking for volunteers. I were ifing and butting, see could I do it and that. So in the end, I just messaged Paul, and the rest is history really from me.
So, my love of the trams came from being a child, and I always wanted to be a tram driver, but I've never achieved it. This is my favourite tram, 600. I can spend hours of the day on it, up and down the front when it's out. And it's the first of its kind, because it's got low sides, and it was deemed to be dangerous, so all the other boats have got higher sides. So he especially was nicknamed Little Willie because of his low size. The other thing I've done is the real tram drive on 700, which I did for a day. 3 round trips from the Pleasure Beach to Little Bisping, driving under supervision with one of the inspectors. Very enjoyable, learnt all that you do, how to control the tram, what all the different signs are, everything. And I can honestly say that was the best day of my life. The inspector, she was showing me, talking me through everything. One thing that impressed her was everything I was doing, I was talking what I was doing. And she said, I know you're taking notice, and I know what you've noticed things because you speak as you're going along of what you've seen, what's coming up, what you've got to do. She was very impressed with that, but I was in heaven. I can't put it into words. I just love the trams, and to drive one, it's not difficult. It's not difficult. You've just got the handbrake, and you go through the bit like notches, bringing the speed up. But every time you pass a circuit breaker, a little orange triangle. Fortunately, it was an orange triangle for me. You come off the power while the pantograph goes over that point. Otherwise, it might not like it very much. So I learned all about that, all about the signals, showing me the points when you press to set the points, and one lot didn't set, so we had to set them manually, and then can you see where they've gone. That took me a bit of concentration trying to work out, but I did eventually. It was fantastic. I could have stayed on that tram forevermore. The only thing that was disappointing was it wasn't this tram 600, but apparently you can't drive a trolley car as a real tram. You have to have a pantograph. The trams have been here all my life, and I've had all my holidays in Blackpool, and I just love being on them. So to be able to come in here and see people come round, people are interested, and it's all for the good of trying to get them back out on the promenade. It just is a real feel-good factor. I think the pair of us suffered quite badly when they took them in. We were really down. There was something about the trams that just lifts me. So being in here with them and watching what they're trying to do, it gives me that little bit of...
It's the sound of the smell.
Yes.
Oh, I know it smells, and I like the smell of the...
It's just like the smell, I do like the smell, especially like the double decker, I just like the smell, because the original smell of them. We do ride the modern trams, but we just don't like them. We like these. It's not the same.
Not the same.
We just like these actually better.
And they're really hot in Blackpool on safety. It's all about safety. So that is something that's quite to their credit, really.
We are the only tramway what can operate heritage and modern trams together on the same network under the same voltage. I really enjoy doing this video, telling you the ages. If you want to come down, we're all open every Monday, Wednesday and Saturday, 10 till 2. And there's always a tour guide available to tell you the history. Just come to the door, pay a £5 as that, So we're open 3 days a week at the moment, Monday, Wednesday, Saturday. And in August we're going 4 days, we're adding Thursdays on for summer holidays. And hopefully we're hoping to have more days on. Our aim is to open 7 days a week to make this a 7-day attraction. My favourite trams are the double deckers, which is the balloons, which were built 1934, 1935. They were built in Preston. The first 12 of them were delivered open-topped. Then during the Second World War, then they started putting roofs on them because Blackpool started carrying more passengers.